So here is Captain Tad aboard the new Wild Heron. What do you got to say today?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing. I can't get it to turn. I can't get it to shut off. We're just going to go right into those trees.
Maybe we can go to...
Thinking close.
I know, a piece of garbage, right? God.
I'm jumping off the back.
We got... Oh gosh, don't do that now. We have... Do you have buyer's remorse?
Yes.
So, it's a beautiful day, that's for sure.
Yes,
Despite the fact that we can't control the boat, we are, I think, what is that we have to do? Is it pan, mayday?
Should we even tell Jenna?
No.
That just scared.
But if we need to call the Coast Guard and tell them, we just took this class, Tad. You should know this. Is it pan when we're out of control?
Help.
Help. That's it. Help on the radio.
Send a helicopter.
Oh, yes. That would be a good idea.
Don't want anything but a helicopter.
Alrighty. I don't know where we're going, but that's where we're going. It's right there into that
Look, I got
land.
control back.
Oh, yay! He's got control back. We're saved. Now we can go back to the marina, safe and sound. Woo! This wake that this boat makes is absolutely unbelievable.